Octopus. Turkey.
When your powers combine, I am Octoperky!
Actually, can we just agree to call it the Turkapus? Turkey Octopus? Turkapus. The Turkapus was the biggest Thanksgiving meme of 2013, and it combines a turkey and an octopus into an abominable creation that can only be famous here on YouTube and the internets, and I wanted to make it because no one can come over during the period of social distancing. So a couple of things about that meme. First, that is not a turkey. It looks like maybe a really big chicken, but way too small to be a turkey. The second one is if you look at the color of it, it looks like it's partially cooked. I want to see one that's completely cooked all the way, and that's one of the reasons why I'm setting out to make it today. The Kamado is preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and is ready to put the turkey on. Let me show you how I set it up. I used my trusty propane-powered grill gun to light about a dozen briquettes. This is the usual setup for low and slow, but the Kamado was covered with snow yesterday, and I wanted to heat it up slowly just to be safe. And I added a few pieces of pecan wood for flavor, and filled the rest of the slow and sear with charcoal to get it ready for the turkey. You may wonder why I'm not just shoving the octopus in there now. They're going to cook at different rates. If you look on the package of most turkeys, it says that it's better to just cook your stuffing separate than it is to cook it in there. If you do it inside, you're either going to end up with one of two problems. Either the turkey's overcooked or the stuffing hasn't reached a safe temperature and you could get people sick. So I'm going to separate them out for the best results. Okay, let's get that rub on there. I dry brine the turkey by salting it and leaving it in the fridge uncovered overnight. This is a standard barbecue rub with lots of black pepper because I prefer Cajun-style turkey. Make sure that the smoke has died down and is a light blue before putting the turkey on, or it's going to be as dark as night when you're done. I set the turkey on the indirect side to keep it from burning, and at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, this turkey should take 4 or 5 hours to finish. For an extra kick of flavor, I basted the turkey with melted butter every hour or so, and as you can tell, it's coming along nicely. So when it comes to grilling the octopus, the best way to prepare it is to boil it for about an hour so that way it's pre-cooked, and then we're just going to char it up real nice on the grill a little bit later. Let's jump inside and do it. I have a pot of salty water at the boil. And every tutorial I found said that you should dip the octopus in water a few times before tossing it in, each time leaving it in a little bit longer than the last. Some say that this is the secret to making it tender, and others said that it tempers the octopus. Either way, it was interesting to see it curl up under the heat. After an hour or so, you can poke it with a knife and it goes in easily, and that's a sign that it's done and tender. I took it out and then I put it in the fridge to cool until the turkey was done. The best time to grill the octopus is while the turkey is resting, so that way both of them are hot. I direct grilled the octopus on all sides for some good char marks and good presentation. Then I put it on the indirect side to finish warming up. Now this is the point you've been waiting for, because tonight is the night when two become one. And this is why the meme shows an uncooked octopus. It's a lot harder to get it in than it looks. After a bit of finagling, the two came together nicely with the octopus taking a tight grip of the drumsticks. I don't know about you, but there is always a fight in my house for the turkey drumsticks, and unfortunately, they only come with 2. But this time, they had something a little extra. So the one question that I'm sure everybody wants to know is, how did it taste? And that's why I grabbed a big old bite of that drumstick and tentacle at the same time, and I was surprised how well they went together. That octopus was pretty smoky, even though I only spent just a little bit of time out on the smoker. Just a few minutes added a huge depth of flavor and made them go together pretty well. That doesn't mean I'm going to go and make it on my next Thanksgiving, but it was something that was fun to do.